Plain text is dead. Customers expect to tap, swipe, and choose, not read a wall of options. Zendesk carousel templates put your products, services, and answers in front of customers visually, driving faster decisions and fewer follow-up messages. This video shows you every way to build them. A Zendesk carousel is a row of horizontally scrollable cards that appear directly inside the chat widget. Each card shows an image, a title, a description, and up to 3 action buttons. Customers tap the action that matches what they want. No typing required. Carousels work best in 4 scenarios: product showcases with images and pricing, appointment booking with available time slots, FAQ navigation to relevant help articles, and multi-option displays where plain text would create a cluttered wall of choices. Plain text buries options. Carousels put them in front of customers so they tap instead of scroll. Step 1 is picking your build method. The Sunshine Conversations API gives you full control for custom integrations. This is the developer path. AI Agents Advanced lets you build carousels through the UI with no JSON needed. Template Shortcuts let agents send reusable carousels during conversations. And third-party apps from the Zendesk marketplace offer no-code solutions. Step 2 is understanding the carousel JSON structure. Every carousel item needs 3 things: a title, a media URL for the image, and up to 3 action objects. Get this structure right before you try to send, or the API will reject the payload. Step 3, know your limits. On Sunshine Conversations, titles are capped at 128 characters, descriptions at 128, and buttons at 35. On Zendesk Chat, titles and descriptions allow 150 characters, and buttons allow 20. For action types, link opens a URL in a new tab. Reply sends a post-back payload your bot handles, and WebView opens a conversations extension overlay. Build in a 20% margin on all character limits, exceeding them returns a 400 error. Step 4, send your carousel via a post request to the Sunshine Conversations messages endpoint. Include your carousel payload in the message body, specify the conversation ID, and the carousel will appear in the chat widget for that customer. Step 5, make carousels reusable. Create the carousel once in AI agent settings, then reference it anywhere using the template shorthand syntax. Agents paste the shorthand into the composer, and Zendesk expands it automatically. Zendesk provides 4 sample templates to get you started, including a carousel for activities, a compound message, a lead capture form, and a conversation rating quick reply. Before you go live, check channel compatibility. The Zendesk Web Messenger, iOS SDK, and Android SDK all render carousel cards natively. WhatsApp Business supports carousels through Zendesk's template system. SMS and email fall back to plain text automatically. Customers on those channels won't see the cards. 5 mistakes trip up most teams. Images that aren't publicly accessible will fail to load. Exceeding character limits causes API rejections. Reply button handlers that have no back-end logic will silently do nothing. Testing only the web messenger before launch misses how carousels render on other channels. And template shortcut syntax errors cause the carousel to send as raw text instead of cards. Test on every channel you support before going live. Building carousels manually means writing JSON for every product variation, updating templates every time your offerings change, and testing across channels by hand. With eesel AI, you connect your knowledge sources once, and the AI generates rich responses tailored to what each specific customer needs, automatically, up to 81% autonomous resolution. Connect eesel AI to your Zendesk once, and it handles rich messaging automatically. Try free for 7 days at www.eesel.ai. No credit card required.